Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
Is it in there?
Yeah, you're there.
Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
Come on.
Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
forms at that time. Onto your forms, right? They just go, no, actually right in there. Yep. Thank you. Question? You can ask 10 questions.
I
That's
don't
why I'm
fill
here.
out this part, do I?
Just put your name. Just put your name there. Don't worry about your case number. That you got that. You did everything right. Just put your name.
Thank you, sir.
Everybody got that? Just make sure you get your name. Sure your contact info is on. I feel like Pinocchio's becoming a real boy here in a courtroom. We're drinking coffee in court.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, Your Honor.
All right, this is the Orting Municipal.
Unmute audio. Okay.
Not at this time.
Gregory Bean. Gregory Bean, either online or Lathan Corkum. Right.
Sorry, this is Lathan Corkum.
Thank you.
Send the link for the blue jeans.
Alexandra Quartz. Good morning. Joel Day.
Here.
Thank you. Paul Douglas. I have Maria Douglas. Is that Paul Douglas?
Yes, this is Paul.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Polly Dunning. Johnny Isaacson. Bill Lambert. Mark Lane. Okay. Jose Antonio Lopez Herrero. Good morning. Brandon Mahaney. Good morning. Jacob Mitchell. Jeremy Petroff. Good morning. Benjamin Postolnikov.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ken Sipper with defendant present.
Good morning. Thank you. Blake Raymond.
Present, sir.
Good morning. Benjamin Roberts. Jacob Schoenbachler. Joseph Schoenbachler. Good morning. David Silvernail. Antone Smith. All right. That is the morning calendar. And after the roll call, is there any that you'd like to take out of order?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
All right. All right. So we'll start with Sophia Hato. Where is she sitting?
Yeah.
Center table. And good morning.
Good morning.
And you are Sophia Ajedo?
Ajedo. Yes.
And did you hear the rights as I read them to you this morning?
Yes.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
No, I understand
right.
it completely.
You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about October 4th, 2020 in Orting, Washington, committed the crime of driving a license suspended in the third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings here by way of probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. You're also charged on the same day with a trip permit violation. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings here by way of probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. What does it look like? What is it going to take to get your license back?
I'm just waiting to enroll in a program that's through the state to reinstate it. It's just fees.
Okay, so it's in other words, you have a lot of unpaid traffic tickets, and
No, it's just from one.
okay, and how much is that one?
$5,000.
Okay, and where is it out of?
I believe it's out of Covington.
Covington. Have you tried going directly to the court and have them adjudicate it, set you on a payment plan?
That's what I'm going to be doing, yes.
All right, so I just want to make sure that if you do that, then get your license back. It's a lot easier to go through this process. Okay.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Resnick, if she's doing that, what would you say is a good continuance time?
60.
Any objection to that, Mr. Walls?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to set it out for 90 days to give you an opportunity, but in order for me to do that, you're going to have to waive your right to a speedy trial. You have a right to a trial within 90 days. Are you willing to waive that speedy trial in order to do this? All right. So do we have a speedy trial waiver we can actually go back to having them sign? All right. And I am going to go through, you are released on your own personal recognizance. The conditions of release are making all court appearances.
And I think there's actually a warrant to quash as well.
I will quash the warrant. What's the 90-day date? All right, we're going to set this out for May 18th. Set this out to May 18th, 2/21 at 10 o'clock a.m. Make all court appearances, notify of any address change, have no law violations, and do not drive without a license and insurance. Do you understand those conditions? We're quashing the warrant today. And what is your address change since the arrest?
No, it has not.
All right, Mr. General,
I'd like to thank you for this opportunity.
all right, thank you. I need her sign. So, let's go ahead and bring it to the table, I think, and make you exercise. I'm gonna make you exercise. No, just we're gonna set it on the table here. We'll make her make Kim walk today.
Can I sign this?
That's right. We could have thought of that. Thank God Matt wasn't here just to think of the engineering we would have had to done. I think Mr. Corkum, you're online, correct?
Yes.
Right, you're up. So we're going to go through this process. You were here this morning when I read the rights? The Corkum?
Can you hear me?
Now I can.
Okay, sorry about that. Yes.
All right, do you understand the rights as I read them?
Yes.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
No, I think I'm good. Thank you.
You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about June 9th, 2020, in Washington, the crime of theft in the third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further forming reading is hereby waived and probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. Mr. Latham, are you currently employed?
Yes, I'm at work right now, currently.
And what is your monthly income?
My what?
Monthly income?
I'd say it's about like maybe 2,000 now.
All right. And are you the only person in your household you're supporting?
Yes.
All right. So based on that information, you do not qualify for public importance of that. Of course, this is a crime that carries a possible jail sentence of 1 year in jail or 364 days in jail and a $5,000 fine. So I do recommend that you contact an attorney. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I am going to release you. Release or making all court appearances.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Make all court appearances the first one. We're going to set this for the 30 days, which is when, Kim? This is the
okay.
Exactly. Hold on, it would probably be exactly the same. March 16th. We're going to set this for 2021 at 10 o'clock a.m. Make all court appearances. Notify of any address change. Have no law violations, and have no contact, I believe, is with Safeway. Okay.
Okay.
And is your address changed since you were arrested?
I've never been arrested, sir.
Since you were charged, I should say.
No, it hasn't.
19409 207th Street?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll send it to that address. We'll see you at the next hearing.
Okay. Am I free to go, sir?
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you so much.
And then Alexander Quartz. You are Alexander Quartz?
Yes.
And you were here this morning when I read the rights?
Yes.
And did you understand those rights as I read them to you?
Yes, sir.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
Nothing.
Right. You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about 1/31/2021 in Orting, Washington, committed the crime of driving with a license suspended in third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waived and probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. What will it take to get your license back?
I'm actually in the process of getting it back. I paid the stipulated fee. I'm working with the lawyer right now because it's from a previous car crash from a couple years ago.
Okay.
I'm working with them right now, and I'm waiting for the thing to get processed for them to clear it.
Has he given you an idea of approximately how long that will take?
He said that he doesn't know how bad the Washington backlog, so it's just waiting for them to get through the process.
All right, so 60 to 90 again? Okay, so I'm going to set this for, if I set this out to May, you said 18th? If I set this out to May 18th, you will have to waive your right to have a speedy trial within 90 days. Are you willing to do that today?
Yes.
All right, so if you can give her a speedy trial waiver. Okay. And then we will give you to that period of time. I'm going to release you on your own personal recognizance. That next date is going to be May 18th, 2021 at 10 o'clock a.m. Make all court appearances, notify of any address change, have no law violations, and do not drive without a license or insurance. Do you understand those conditions?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're going to see you at the next hearing. Has your address changed since the ticket?
No, I'm living with my grandma.
And that's at the 3715.
Oh, no, sorry. 20301 194th
20301 194th.
Avenue East, Orting, Washington, 98360.
All right, thank you. I don't need to. And Mr. Douglas, and you're on the video, is that correct?
I am.
Mr.
Yes, I
Douglas,
am.
good morning.
Morning.
All right. We are here on 3 charges, and you are Paul Cornelius Douglas.
Thank you so much.
I am.
What is your date of birth?
9/5/61.
Right? You are charged by the city of Orting that on or about 12/30/2020. Let me grab that. On 12/30/2020 in Orting, Washington, the charges that you committed assault against Maria L. Douglas. It's in violation of RCW 10.99020 and RCW 26500106. To those charges, to that charge, a plea of not guilty is under further formal readings here by way of probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. You're also charged on the same date with malicious mischief in the 3rd degree, alleged to have occurred on about 12/30/2020, also against Maria L. Douglas. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings here by way of probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. You're also charged on your count 3 that on or about 12/30/2020 in Orting, Washington, you committed the crime of resisting arrest. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings here by way of probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. All right. And did I already enter a no contact order in this? It doesn't appear so. Let me see the docket on this.
Anything like this. Never had.
Right. So this was originally not charged, it was suddenly charged by complaint. Is that correct, Mr. Walls?
Your Honor, I believe it was originally referred as a felony, declined,
Okay.
and then I filed it. So,
All right. And is the city asking for a no contact order?
yes, Your Honor.
All right.
And just by way of history, Mr. Douglas has a fair amount of history. However, it is quite old, but it does include domestic violence.
Mr. Douglas, you currently employed?
No, I'm on Social Security.
Right. I am going to direct appoint the public defender. And that's Mr. Rusnick. He's in the courtroom. Mr. Rusnick, we are going to, the city's requesting a no contact order. And then I'm assuming standard other provisions. And, all right. And so you're going to, while you're at it, you could go ahead and let Mr. Douglas know your phone number so he can contact you.
Mr. Douglas, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
You have something to write with? If not,
My wife's putting it down now.
okay, 253-588-4006. We're going to ask that we set this out about 30 days, okay?
I have a question.
If it's not a legal question, we're not going to do this in open court if it's a question about legal advice.
No, it's not legal advice.
Go ahead.
The question is that we have 3 children at home. My wife works as a nurse at the Soldiers Home. There's nobody here to take care of the kids while she's gone.
Hold on. When I say hold on, I want you to hold on. Mr. Rusnick, can you take your laptop into the conference room? And Devin,
Yep.
Can you send him into a breakout room?
I will.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to have you go into the breakout room with an attorney. So when it comes up on your screen, go to the breakout room with your attorney so you could talk to him, okay? I don't want all that in open court because whatever you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. So I prefer you to talk to the attorney, okay?
All right.
Go out. You could go out behind this, Matt. Just go out behind this. It's stanchion is not. I know there's a stanchion. Go ahead and use it. All right. Anyone running around? And let's see. He was on line 2.
Your Honor, while we're waiting, we could take Mr. Postelnikov.
All right.
Postelnikov, that I believe is Mr. Pittsburgh's case.
Alrighty, I'm here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ken Cyprian with defendant present, Your Honor. We do have an agreed resolution with the prosecutor on this matter, Your Honor. If you would allow to take that during the arraignment calendar.
Walls?
That's correct, Your Honor. Mr. Postelnikov has got his license back, so he's moving to amend to no license on person, RCW 46-20017, with fine of $139.
Mr. Cyprian, does that sound like the arrangement?
Yes, Your Honor. We plead committed to the traffic infraction charge with an agreed fine of $139.
All right. So upon the city's motion, the crime of driving a license suspended third degree under case number 1A0145061 is hereby amended to no driver's license on person. The fine is $139. Upon payment, that case is closed.
Thank you, Your Honor. That concludes my matter. May I be excused with my client?
Nay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day. Good to see everybody.
Right. Think. Take Blake Raymond.
Right here, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Were you here when I read the rights this morning?
I believe so, but I'm not sure if I caught them. Would it be okay for you to read them again, please?
Would be. All right. So it says, first of all, you're charged with criminal offense. You should understand you have the following rights. You're presumed innocent of any charge unless that charge is proven beyond reasonable doubt. You have the right to a speedy trial. If you're held in jail before trial, you must be brought to trial within 60 days of your commencement date. If you're released from jail, you must be brought to trial within 90 days of your commencement date. You have a constitutional right to a jury trial unless you specifically give up that right by signing a jury trial waiver. You have the right to see, hear, and question all witnesses who testify against you. You have the right to call witnesses on your own behalf. You may have the court subpoena those witnesses to appear and testify at no prior expense to you. You have the right to testify on your own behalf. You also have the right to remain silent and not give any testimony or present any evidence in your defense. Your silence cannot be used against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney of your own choosing at arraignment and at all proceedings. If after you're screened is determined you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. Even though you do not have an attorney at arraignment, you do not waive your right to have an attorney at any later proceeding. Mr. Rusnick is here again as standby counsel. If you feel you cannot have a fair trial because of the bias or prejudice of a particular judge, you have the right to ask for a different judge within 10 days of assignment to that judge. You're entitled to only one change of judge. You have the right of appeal from any judgment of guilty entered by this court. To begin the appeal, you must file a written notice of appeal in this court within 30 days of that judgment. If you plead guilty, you give up or waive all of your rights listed above, except for the right to be represented by an attorney. If you are not a citizen of the United States, a plea of guilty to an offense punishable as a crime of state law may be grounds for deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States, or denial of naturalization pursuant to the laws of the United States. Are there any of those rights that you do not understand, and if so, let us know so we can respond to those?
No, sir, those were quite clear. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about February 7th, 2021, you're operating a motor vehicle without a valid certificate of title. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings here by way and probable causes established based on the probable cause statement. What is it going to take you to get the certificate of title?
Your Honor, I have the proof of registration right here. I'd gotten that taken care of on Wednesday like I told the police officer, sir. And I can turn my camera around for you to see it if you would like me to, sir.
Mr. Wallace?
Hold on. Okay. If you could hold it up.
Can you hold it up to the screen and far enough away where we could see it, but close enough? Well, all right, go a little closer.
Is there something in particular you want me to zoom in on?
Mr. Walls is trying to see there. Oh, actually, I can see it better there. Oh, went off my screen, but it's still up above. I think it's because he's not talking. So, yeah. Go ahead and say something.
I'm still here, Your Honor.
So hopefully it'll pop back up. There you go. Say another word every now and then. No.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, no, it's just it's only going to speaker views.
Okay.
No, that's.
I don't know. I can't see anything.
Your Honor, city would move to amend to no valid tabs. That's RCW 4616A0305L.
So, Mr. Raymond, city is moving to the charge from a criminal charge down to an infraction of no valid tabs. Are you willing to plead committed to that infraction?
Your Honor, I got new plates and new tabs on the car as well. I can go out to the car right now and show you if you would like me to.
Let me explain that to you. What they're saying is you committed the crime by not having it at the time, but they're willing to get rid of the criminal offense. They're moving it down to an infraction. In exchange, they're hoping you plead committed to that infraction. Are you willing to do that?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir, I am. Thank you.
Fine and committed to the no valid tabs. The fine is $139. Upon payment, your case is closed.
Okay, Your Honor.
There's also tracking infraction for dangerous driving, no insurance, and no valid plate.
All right.
I do see no prior infractions. He is eligible for deferred finding.
All right. So on your other 3 offenses,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What you can do is do what they call a deferred finding. That means you have no tickets for 1 year. You pay $175. All 3 of those cases will be dismissed. Do you want to do that today?
Yes, sir. But may I be given more time to be able to come up with that? I don't have any money right now, and I get paid on the 5th.
We always take monthly payments. So your first due in 30 days is $25 a month.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Help out? Is that okay? I mean, can you do that?
Yes. Okay. Yes, sir, I can. Thank you very much.
Raymond. Right. Mr. Raymond, has your address changed since the ticket?
No, sir.
All right, so we'll send that all to you. You'll have your first payment due, like I said, 30 days, but you'll get the information where to send it. All right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Free to go. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir. God bless.
Sure. All right, Mr. Douglas, you're back.
Yes, I am.
And Mr. Douglas is asking that the court make this a no hostile contact. I explained to him the standard procedures when somebody is facing a domestic violence charge, and he understands that that's not even SOP in this court, but standard procedure in basically every Washington State Court of Criminal Jurisdiction at all levels. Not with represented to me. He has 2 special needs children in the house for work at 7 a.m. Somebody needs to watch out for these kids and get them to school. 2 of them are on. There's a 3rd child who is not special needs, but the other 2 are on IEP. He needs to help out. So he's asking that it be a no hostile. Full no.
Mr. Wallace?
Your Honor, I just so his criminal history includes, I think, 5 domestic violence charges. Those were about 20 years ago. His last criminal history was about 15 years ago, a drug case. This incident, however, was concerning in that there was a weapon involved, a hammer. Although it doesn't appear that the hammer was used in the assault, it was in the malicious mischief. And there's also the resisting arrest. It was, there has been some time that's gone by since this incident, but given all that, the city is asking for no contact order.
Crazy.
All right, Mr. Douglas, I am going to release you on your own personal cognizance. The conditions of release are making all court appearance. The next one's going to be March 16th at 10 o'clock a.m. Notify of any address change, have no law violations. I am also concerned as the prosecutor because even though the history is old, it is there. However, considering the time that this has been going on and clearly you're back in the household and wife is there, I will allow an order at this time to no hostile contact. But you should know if there's any violation of that, there's no chance they will not be entering a no contact order. So there can be no hostile contact. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
I do understand it, Your Honor. Thank you.
Right. And if your wife is there, I'm going to let you know, Ms. Douglas, that if there is a problem, you need to immediately notify the police.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And have you moved since the charges, Mr. Douglas?
No.
Right. So we're going to send it to that address. Thank you. We'll see you at the next hearing, which is going to be March 16th.
All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, quick case we could probably do off the 9:30 Antonio.
Okay.
That is Mr.
You're free to go.
That's Mr. O'Rourke's case and on video.
All right. Antonio.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning. And is Mr. O'Rourke here? He's on mute and he's on. Oh. There you go.
Okay, I'm here.
Work.
Your Honor, this is on for review for proof of treatment and a victim panel. I did receive those this morning from the council.
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct, Your Honor. Mr. Erb did complete 30 days of inpatient at Lakeside Milam, and he did the DUI victim panel at Stop recently. So I believe that's everything. If I'm not mistaken.
So you're finding him in compliance at this time, and
it does look like, well, yeah, I think we're at the end of a jurisdiction.
Is case closed?
Yeah.
All right. So we're finding that we're at end of jurisdiction. He is in compliance. And all payments are made and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, it appears so.
Okay, we are going to close this case. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Right. We go to Joshua Gellenbeck. There he is. All right. Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Any objection to quashing the warrant?
No, Your Honor.
The warrant's quashed. You're Joshua Gellenbeck?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you were here when I read the rights this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have any questions regarding the rights?
No, Your Honor.
All right. You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about 9/19/2020 in Orting, Washington, committed the crime of driving with a license suspended third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal reading here by way of probable cause has already been established. What is it going to take to get your license back?
I need to get SR 22 insurance. I have a couple fines through Lakewood Municipal that I have to pay.
And so how long do you think it'll take you?
A couple months.
All right.
And, Your Honor, it looks like the main issue is a civil judgment from an accident.
All right. And are you aware of that civil judgment from the accident?
I haven't been in an accident in over 10 years, so.
Yep. So if you want to do me a waiver, we're going to continue this till May 18th. I'm going to release you on your own personal recognizance. We're going to set this for May 18th. In order for me to do that, though, you do have to waive your right to a speedy trial. And you do have a right to a speedy trial within 90 days. However, if you want to continue it so you can try to get this cleaned up, you will need to waive that. Are you willing to do that?
Yes.
All right, so we're going to do that. Make all court appearances, notify of any address change, have no law violations, and do not drive without licensed insurance. You understand those conditions? All right. So on that, I think that if there is something, you may want to go check. If there's something that indicates that you're in an accident, there's a civil judgment, you may want to figure out what that's going on, because if it's not you, then there's a civil judgment on that record. So
it could be my several accidents.
My recommendation, don't let her drive your car.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the first. Are we going to be seeing Mr. Lane today? Your Honor. Thank you. Have a good day. Jose Antonio Lopez Herrero. Good morning.
Good morning.
And you were here when I read the rights this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you understand the rights as I read them?
Yes.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you're charged by the city of Orting that on or about 1/29/2021 in Orting, Washington, you committed the crime of driving a license. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further, former probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. What does it take to get your license back?
I did start the payment plan, so it would just take me to pay those plans. I was living paycheck to paycheck. I did get a promotion at work, so I will be able to pay that as soon as possible.
So how long do you think it will take you?
Maybe a max 3 months.
3 months. Okay, so if I set this for May 18th, you'd be ready?
Yeah, I will.
All right. So I need you to start working on it immediately so we can get this done. I will need a speedy trial. You have a right to have a speedy trial within 90 days. However, if you're asking for a continuance as long, I do require a speedy trial waiver. So we still have you under our jurisdiction. Are you willing to do that today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So waive speedy trial. The new commencement date is May 18th, 2021. We'll set it for that date. Otherwise, I'm going to release you on your own personal cognizance. Conditions of release are making all court appearances. The next one is May 18th, 2021 at 10 o'clock a.m. Notify of any address change. Have no law violations. Do not drive without a licensed insurance. Do you understand those conditions?
Yes, Your Honor. Okay.
Oh. All right, Mr. Lopez, have a great day. You're free to go once you get these forms. Brandon Mahaney, and let her clean up first. And I can get the file. And you are Brandon Mahaney?
Yes, sir.
And what's your date of birth?
3580.
Were you here this morning when I read the rights?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're charged by the city of Orting that on or about 7/3/2018 in Orting, Washington, committed the crime of driving a license suspended third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further, from a readings head by way of probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. You're also charged on the same date with failure to transfer title within 45 days. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further, from a readings head by way of probable cause actually has been previously established. Any objection to quashing the warrants, Mr. Wall?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the warrants are going to be quashed. What is it going to take to get your license back?
Well, I've been working on that, and I know I have an accident in Buckley, and like according to what I've pulled up, it's just here in Buckley. Okay. So I paid off Pierce County, and if I could, I would like to just pay this off and be done with it. If we can bring it to original. I mean, I have the money.
Well, in our court, we're going to go ahead and adjudicate, which means that this is not going to be what's holding you up. So what you need to do is figure out what Is there a civil judgment?
Yeah, the civil judgment I think is the main thing at this point.
Do you know the amount of the civil judgment, sir?
I do not. I was going to petition the court and see if I could bring it back to the original price and just pay it all off.
Well, but the civil judgment is outside of the court's purview. That means they've sued and there's a judgment that you have to pay off. You don't know how much that is yet?
Yeah, I don't know how much that is.
All right. So you'll need to find that out because that's really what's holding up your license. And once you get your license back, in other words, if you can get whoever the attorney is, work out the details with that, you could probably get your license back. I think it's probably going to take you some period of time, but you have to first of all get that done. All right.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is, if you want to waive your right to speedy trial, we'll set this out 90 days.
Okay.
And so that'll give you a time to look into it and see what needs to be done. And if you decide at that point you can't do it, then we'll go ahead and proceed with this case.
Is there like maybe any direction I could get to find out where?
You got to go to DOL. They should give you the name of an attorney's office and then you contact them.
WA.DOL. Or you can just Google Washington State Department.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
All right. So at this point, I'm going to set this for a May 18th court date. And we're going to adjudicate our fines in Orting. If there are any fines here, that means that you make your monthly payments of $25 to $50 a month here. And this is not holding up your license. Okay. If there's any judgments. Judgments from who?
Okay. So, are you guys going to be sending me my payments in the mail or?
No, what we'll do is send you notice and you can make those. I don't know what they are right now. I can't look them up. I have, unfortunately, a lot of things going on right this second.
It's okay. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, she'll come out there just a second. So this is, I'm releasing on your own personal cognizance, notify of any court changes, notify any address changes, have no law violations, do not drive without license insurance. What is the current address?
Is 10344 14th Avenue South, Seattle, Washington. It's 98168.
All right. I have signed that order. Thank you.
Yeah.
Jeremy Petra. Good morning. And you are Jeremy Petroff?
Yes, sir.
And what's your date of birth?
8/17/1976.
And were you here this morning when I read the rights? Yes, sir. And did you understand the rights as I read them? Yes, sir. Are there any you'd like to go over at this time? No. All right. You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about 1/16/2021 in Orting, Washington, committed the crime of driving a license suspended in the first degree. That charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive and probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. And are you currently employed? Oh, yeah. All right. And what do you do? How are you surviving right now? Social Security. All right. I'm going to direct appoint Mr. Rusnick as your public defender. I'm going to release you on your own personal recognizance, and we are also going to track the contested tickets, the speeding and no insurance. We're going to set this for next month, okay. 3/16 at 10 o'clock a.m. Notify of any address change, make all court appearances, have no law violations, do not drive without a license or insurance. Do you understand those conditions? All right. What's the address? 111. 111? Varner Avenue South. All right. Thank you. Yeah, we don't get mail there. Okay, so where do you get mail? P.O. Box 433. P.O. Box 433 Orting? Yes. Mailing. And Mr. Sohenbacher. All right, and you're Joseph Schoenbacher, is that correct? Correct. Your date of birth is 12/31/74? Correct. And you were here this morning when I read the rights? Yep. Did you understand those rights? Yes, I did. Are there any you'd like to go over at this time? And you're charged by the city of Orting that on or about 2/7/2021 in Orting, Washington, committed the crime of driving a license suspended in the third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal reading here by way of a probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. Can you tell me what it will take to get your license back? About 90 days. Okay, you think you can get it back then? All right. So I have a May 18th date that'll require you to waive your right to a speedy trial. Are you willing to do so? All right, so we will do that. And you have a speedy trial form for me, Mr. Resnick? Joseph. So I am going to release you on your own personal cognizance. Conditions of release are making all court appearances. The next one's going to be May 18th, 2021 at 10 o'clock a.m. Notify of any address change, have no law violations, and do not drive without a license and insurance. Do you understand those conditions? I will track the infractions as well. I come in with proof of insurance and all that, then yes. Perfect. We're going to handle them all at the same time, so you don't need a separate hearing. Great. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. All right, thank you. Have a good day. I'm going to call the next calendar here.
Your Honor, there was one arraignment on the video, Joel Day.
Yes, but we did him.
Did we do him? Still there.
No.
It was the Fifth Third. I arraigned him.
We did Mr. Quartz.
Mr. Day, are you there?
Yes.
Morning.
Yes.
Apparently,
Morning.
I crossed you out. I thought I passed you, so that's my fault. And you are Joel Day, is that correct?
Yes.
And your date of birth is 11/18/78?
Yes, sir.
Charged by the city of Orting that on or about 12/28/2019, Orting, Washington, committed the crime of theft in third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waived and probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. I am releasing now your personal recognizance. Conditions of release are making all court appearances. The next one is to be 3/16/2021 at 10 a.m. Make all court appearances. Notify change have no law violations. Are you currently employed, Mr. Day?
Yes, I am.
And you make over $2,000 a month?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
You do qualify for public defender, and the importance of that, this does carry a possible jail sentence, so I'd like you to talk to an attorney, find out your rights.
Yeah. Yes.
All right.
Can I have a copy of what happened? Because I haven't been in Orting in like 6 months. And I just wanted, I don't even know I just got something in the mail. I've never been arrested. I just haven't had a discovery or anything.
And so this looks like it happened back in 2019. You can request the discovery from the prosecutor and he'll send that to you. Yes.
Okay. All right.
And so
Thank
what's
you
the
very much. Oh.
what's your address?
805 187th Avenue Court East, Lake Caps, Washington, 98391.
All right. Thank you very much. You are free to go for today. What is it? On Mr. Lane, they are not, because they're short-staffed, we're not able to get Mr. Lane in here today. But they are able to do it 8:30 tomorrow morning. I would assume, well, by Blue Jeans, yeah. Mr. Walls, what do you think?
I should be able to do that, yeah.
All right, so can you set where I could come in by Zoom? Or by, what is it? Yeah, that one. I did the same thing as you. I'm Zooming every day besides today. All right, so we will do that at 8:30 in the morning, let them know. Okay. Remind me. And now I'll call the next calendar. Let me know if you're here. Yes. What's your name? Okay, I did call that earlier. Oh, then I missed you. Then I missed you. All right, come on up. Come on up. Actually, you're right in order, though. You're at the end of the calendar anyway.
I know that. When you called roll, I was the last one called. Thank you.
All right, so here we are. And you are David Silvernail?
Yes, sir.
Date of birth 10259?
1259, yes.
You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about 1/9/2021 in Orting, Washington, with the unlawful display of a weapon. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive and probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. Are you currently employed, Mr. Silvernail?
I am retired and I'm a full-time caretaker of my disabled mother who is live-in.
And what is your income? Okay.
If I can afford it. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
That's fair. I am going to, for today, I'm going to release you on your own personal recognizance. Conditions of release are making all court appearances. Matt, do you think 3/16 is enough time?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to set this for.
I would like the 90 days, please, if I could. I have to get a bank loan, if I may, sir.
All right. I don't know if Mr. Walls has no objection. I don't.
No objection.
I'm
Right.
not.
So
I'm
I'll
not a
need you to
flight
waive
risk.
your right to a speedy trial till that date.
Thank you.
And so your speedy trial starts over on that date.
And what is the date, sir?
It is on 5/18
Thank you.
At 10 o'clock a.m. Make all court appearances, notify of any address change, have no law violation. You understand those conditions?
Yes, I do, sir.
All right. And on that date, is your address changed since the charge?
Lived at that address for 26 years, sir.
All right. We will send it to that address. Well, actually, we're giving it to you today, but if we have any notices, we'll send it to that address. Right. And here we go. All right. Please answer if your name is called Deegan Bills. Marion Graff. Adam. Thank you. Robin Smith.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir.
All right. So there's only people that Mr. Hash is the only one on the review calendar. Clock right now. Caleb Alford. Santiago Angel Tuxpan. Douglas Bishop. Hunter Boyd. Angelique Boykin. Joshua Clarkson. Slater Cross.
Present, sir.
Thank you. Griffin Cummins.
Here.
Jorge Figueroa. Mr. Figueroa Arenas. Jamie Gregory. Ashley Hart.
Present.
Markel, did I see you're here?
Counsel. Here.
Your Honor, counsel is present. Matter.
Who?
Chloe Anderson on behalf of Ms. Hodge. I'm counsel for her.
And any talk to counsel, Mr. Walsh?
I don't think so.
Perjanovich. Albert Livesey. Mark Makua Mather. Good morning. Lance Monago. Stacy McCarty. Nakilata, I think, yeah, you're here. Philip Polito.
Here.
Christopher.
Christopher Simon, I'm here.
Okay, good morning. Allison Walker. And Eldrig Hamrick. That's in custody. Are they appearing? None of them? So we'll do both of them tomorrow? All right, so we'll do Hamrick, Murray, and Lane tomorrow. All right, so that is the calendar. Anyone here that I did not call their name? All right. So, Mr. Walker, time to talk.
Did you call my name, Adam Hash, Your Honor?
I marked you here.
Okay, thank you.
Not at this point. I think we could address Mr. Hash. He's on the review. Looks like he set this to address financial obligations.
Okay. All right, so come in and tell him after you're done with Mr. Cummins. Mr. Cummins, you're going to go to a breakout room with Mr. Rusnick and Mr. Hash.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Let me reread the letter here. I read it the other day, and I think I asked for you to be here. I don't know if you've read the letter, Mr. Wallace.
I don't think I have. But is this addressing financial obligations?
Not sort of, yes.
I'll defer to the court on those issues.
Yeah, but I want to know if our
No.
All right, so tell me what you're here for, and so we can go forward, Mr. Hash.
I'm here to try to get my fines waived. I have 400 hours of trustee hours through the Pierce County Jail that I'm trying to apply towards my traffic fines in different jurisdictions in order to get my driver's license back. I've been enrolled in a Pierce County drug court for the last year, and I'm just, it's going to be a huge thing for me to be able to get my license back in order to be able to do this and go to school. And
Try not to look away, but I'm looking at another screen, so give me a minute here. Mr. Hash, how's the program working? Where are you at in your life?
I'm currently enrolled in college at Tacoma Community College, and everything's been going really well. I've been clean for the last 15 months. I mean, everything's going really well.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and waive all the fines I can. If there's some that I can't waive, then I'm going to let you know.
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you, Your Honor.
So we're going to give you notice of that, and I'll have Kim send that out to you. And
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Not very many people make it that far.
Thank you.
All right, you're free to go. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
And just so the court's aware, just the criminal ones on the calendar, there's tracking or there's a associated infraction.
Right.
Just
saw
make
those.
sure I'll get that.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Wallace. And I just wanted to have Mr. Wallace chime in because I'm not familiar all the time with the programs you've gone through and what the trustee hours are. So.
And the city's position is generally that not to give credit against trustee hours. They're used for other purposes. It's tough to track where they're going, but I don't have any objection to waiving any fines that can be waived and pulling them and rescheduling them.
All right. Thank you. All right. So, are there anyone else we can take at this point?
Your Honor, we could take Slater Cross.
Okay, Slater Cross.
Your Honor, Mr. Cross is here for driving suspended third, does have his license back.
Mr. Cross, can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
All right.
City would move to amend to no license on person RCW 4620.017. At 139, there's tracking no insurance ticket.
Right. So, Mr. Cross, the city is moving to amend the criminal charge down to an infraction of no driver's license on person. You plead committed. The fine is 139. Are you willing to do that?
Yes, sir.
All right. So 139 upon payment, that case is closed. Did you have insurance on the date of the ticket?
The date of the ticket, I did not, because my license was suspended. I wasn't driving the vehicle. I didn't see the point in paying that insurance for something I'm not driving.
All right. On the no insurance ticket, I'll make a fine and committed. Reduce the fine from $550 to $150.
Okay.
On payment, that case will be closed as well. Thank you. And
Thank you.
How's your address changed?
Say again?
Has your address changed since you got these tickets?
No, address has not changed.
All right. Thank you. You're free to go then.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we could address Mark Hodge. I just made a new offer in this case recently. I believe the plan is to set this over to discuss and hopefully find.
Good morning, Your Honor. That's correct. Chloe Anderson on behalf of Ms. Hodge. We would ask for about 30 to 45 days out. She has done her evaluation. I'm just awaiting the results. We have hopefully a solution hearing and we can resolve the case at the next hearing.
Is that your client willing to waive the trial? Is that correct?
Yes, thank you.
And no objection, Mr. Wallace?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So what's the 48? You want 45, as you said?
Yes.
What's
Yes.
the 40?
Yes.
You have a new message.
At 10 o'clock a.m. And actually, I think I'll make that an excluded period as opposed to a waiver. Is that okay?
That's fine. I missed the date though. What day at 10?
April 6th, 10 a.m.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Your Honor, Mr. Polito. Be next.
All right. Hello, Your Honor.
Goes here on driving suspended third degree charge. He does have his license back, so he moves to amend to no license on person RCB 4620-017 at 139. There's a tracking, speeding, no insurance ticket. And it does appear he's eligible for deferred finding.
Thank you. All right. And that one sentence is moving to amend the criminal charge of no driver's license driving license in the third to the infraction of no driver's license on person. Are you willing to plead committed to that infraction?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to make a finding committed to the infraction upon payment of $139. That case is closed, and you have time to pay it. As to the two tickets, it looks like no speeding and no insurance.
Yeah, I have insurance now. I didn't at that time.
So you qualify what they call a deferred finding. That means if you pay $175, have it for 12 months, that case will be dismissed. You want to do that?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. I have